Greetings, my fellow subscribers, viewers, and everyone that watches this video right now from a completely new beach that I'm showing you for the very first time on my channel. This is Valamor, located on the Torö peninsula in Nynäshamn. It is 10:25 a.m. in the morning, and I'm the only person on this remote beach out on the public sea. This is one of the most southernmost beaches on the mainland of Nynäshamn. It is beach the number 62, and I have gotten up very early today. It was a 2-hour commute to get here, all the way from where I live in the southern part of central Stockholm, I would say. And it looks amazing indeed. The 2-hour commute was definitely worth it. And I have been here actually on 4th of July 2021, so 4 years ago, but that was before I was doing beach adventures. So it's gonna be exciting to visit and take a swim here in Nynäshamn today on a hot day like this. Let's check out the temperature of the water before I continue with the swim. But the water looks absolutely stunning indeed. And it's a beautiful nature all around, for sure. And we have quite a warm day indeed today. However, in central Stockholm it will be up to 27 degrees today, I think. Here on the sea it's a bit cooler. Right now it is 20 degrees Celsius in the air, but with the sun it feels definitely like a lot hotter than that, for sure. Okay, here it says 22 degrees, but I don't believe that, so I will make another measurement. So to get here you will need to take a commuter train from Älvsjö towards Nynäshamn, around 1 hour from central Stockholm, and then you need to take a bus that takes around 40 minutes. That is from Nynäshamn. And it's actually warm, 21 degrees Celsius in the air indeed. Let's see. Yeah, so quite warm indeed. So it's going to be a nice swim here for sure. So let's get into the water and enjoy the beautiful hot summer day in Stockholm on this 17th of July 2025. I'm not gonna be for so long on this beach because I want to explore more on the southernmost part here on the mainland of Stockholm in Torö, and that's what I did last year. I actually went with a bicycle, and I took a bicycle on the commuter train, and then I was cycling from there to Torö, where I was sleeping together with the birds. There are lots of birds over there, and I slept over there during the night without a tent, just with a sleeping bag and a air mattress that's very tiny. And then I cycled the next day to this beach, and I was picking some blueberries also in the forest over here. So I remember that, but I haven't filmed back then, so now you are one of the first people that has experienced this beach, as it is not so common that people will come here all the way from Stockholm. So are you ready? Yes, ready, set, and go! Now that was a super long dive in the most beautiful Baltic Sea. I'm very shocked that it is 21 degrees Celsius. I think this is the warmest sea in Sweden. So it's even warmer than in Lidingö, which practically closer surface. Here we are on open sea, as you can see, and it's going to be super amazing and nice to explore today. And I'm very early, as I mentioned. Now it's not even 10:30, 10:28, so I have the whole day ahead of me to enjoy in this place. Let's dive in again before we wrap up. Very nice indeed. So, Valamor in Nynäshamn municipality on the Torö Peninsula. That is. Cool, then that's a wrap from this magical place, this beautiful sandy beach, and make sure to tune in. Okay, I see water on my camera, but yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Kris.